When we start talking about the nervous system, the easiest way to understand it is to think of it as a communication network of the body. Because every movement, every thought, every reaction, and even the things you never notice, like breathing or maintaining posture, depends on fast and accurate communication. And the nervous system is built in a way that allows signals to move quickly from one part of the body to another. And once you see how the system is organized, the rest of its functions become much easier to understand. The nervous system helps the body sense what is happening inside and outside, and then it decides how the body should respond, and it does all of this within fractions of a second. And it controls both voluntary actions like moving your hand and involuntary actions like adjusting your heartbeat, and these two types of controls show how the system can handle simple and complex tasks at the same time. And because everything depends on accurate signals, the structure of the system must support quick movement of information. The nervous system is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system, which we call the CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, which we call the PNS. And this deviation helps us understand how information flows. And the CNS includes the brain and the spinal cord. And this is the command center that processes information and makes decisions. And the PNS includes all the nerves that connect the CNS to the rest of the body. And these nerves act like communication lines, carrying messages in and out. The brain is the most complex structure in the body, and it handles thinking, memory, movement, emotions, and many automatic functions without you noticing. And even though the brain has many parts, the main idea is that it receives information, makes sense of it, and sends out the right command to keep the body working. And you can think of it as the main control center where all signals eventually come together. The spinal cord is the long bundle of nerves runs down the back, and it acts like a major highway for nerve signals going and coming from the brain. And the spinal cord also handles simple reflexes without sending signals all the way to the brain. And this allows the body to react quickly when needed, and because it carries so much important information, the spinal cord is protected by bones and surrounded by layers that keep it safe. The peripheral nervous system connects the CNS to every organ, muscle, and tissues, and without it, the brain would not receive information and would not be able to send commands. And the PNS includes sensory nerves that bring information to the CNS and motor nerves that carry commands from the CNS to the body. And this flow of information keeps the body aware of what is happening and ready to respond at any time. The sensory division of the PNS carries signals from the body towards the CNS, and these signals include touch, temperature, pain, and many internal sensations like blood pressure and body position. And the sensory division helps the brain understand what is happening in the environment and inside the body. And this understanding guides decisions and actions. And without accurate sensory input, the brain would have no idea what adjustments the body needs to make. The motor divisions carry signals from the CNS to the muscles and glands, and this is what allows the body to move or respond in different ways. And the motor deviation is divided into the somatic system and the autonomic system, and each one manages different types of actions. And this deviation gives the body flexibility because some actions require conscious controls and others must happen automatically. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary movement, meaning the actions consciously decide to perform, like walking or picking up an object. And it works through motor neurons that connect directly to skeletal muscles. And the signals move fast to create smooth and coordinated movement. And because the somatic system depends on accurate signals, any delay or damage can affect a movement and coordination. The autonomic nervous system controls all the involuntary activities that keep the body alive, like heart rate, digestion, breathing pattern, and temperature control. And it has two parts, the sympathetic system and parasympathetic system. And these two systems balance each other to keep the body steady. And the automatic system works quietly in the background, adjusting things every moment to maintain stability even when you do not think about it.